Hello students. Today we will learn countries' names and nationalities in French with the help of many examples in a very easy and accessible way. So starting with lesson number 10 of book French for Kids 2 is
Je suis fier de mon pays.
means I am proud of my country. In this lesson we are going to learn countries' names and nationalities in French with the help of images and examples.
Alors commençons.
Means let's begin. So, starting with the first page, here's an example of situation where some students are playing a game named Atlas and their teacher is also watching them playing the game. There are three students, Tanvi, Tisha and Apurv. And the name of their teacher is Julie. Let's see the conversation between them. After completion of the syllabus in school, students are feeling free, they want to play a game. Teacher allows them to discuss. Tanvi. Ma'am, we can play Atlas. What is this game? Tisha. Ma'am, in this game we need to write the countries' names. We all say A. TL. A, S then, I will write a country, starting with S like Spain. After me, Alisha will write a country's name starting with the last letter of Spain which is N. Apurv.
Yes, ma'am. If she will write Netherlands, then again I will write a country's name starting with S other than Spain. I can write Switzerland.
Julie ma'am. That's nice game. I am happy to see that you all know countries' names. Now let's do it in French. Means let's learn countries' names in French. If you want to say the country in French, you have to say.
Le pays.
Before learning the names of various countries, we should remember some very important points. First is that, as you can see among these pictures of flags of different countries, Netherlands and France are having same colors in their national flags but they in different order. Like in French flag the order is blue, white and red, whereas in the flag of Netherlands the order is red, white and blue. Second point is like all other nouns in French have gender, so we add
Le. La. Les.
before them, which means the in English.
Le.
Is for masculine,
La.
is for feminine,
Les.
is for plural and
Le apostrophe.
is put before the names starting with a vowel. Now let's start learning country names in French. India is
L'Inde.
in French. This is the flag of India. France is
La France.
in French. This is the flag of France. Germany is
L'Allemagne.
in French. This is the flag of Germany. Spain is
L'Espagne.
in French. This is the flag of Spain. Netherlands is
Les Pays-Bas.
in French. This is the flag of Netherlands. Switzerland is
La Suisse.
in French. This is the flag of Switzerland. Now moving to the third page. It is mentioned that in French, nationalities also change according to the gender of the person, which students have to learn carefully. Here the nationalities are categorized in two columns, masculine and feminine nationalities. Let's start with India. Those who belongs to India and are males they are,
Indien.
and females are.
Indienne.
Those who belongs to Canada and are males they call themselves,
Canadien.
and females are.
Canadienne.
Those who belongs to Germany and are males call themselves,
Allemand.
and females are.
Allemande.
Those who belongs to Spain and are males they call themselves,
Espagnol.
and females are.
Espagnol.
Those who are belongs to France and are males they call themselves,
Français.
and females are.
Française.
I hope you all must have understood country names and their nationalities in French. Now, moving to the exercise part.
À vous.
Exercise 1. Find out the countries' names and write nationalities in the given space. In this question, there are two columns, one of countries and second of nationalities. You can also see there's a word puzzle. In this puzzle, you have to find out countries and nationalities' names in French and write in the given columns. I hope you all must have enjoyed a lot learning French in this video.